Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a wet to dry hair care routine. I'm going to give you guys a little inside tip of all of the products that I've been using and more or less the routines that I've been doing to get my hair healthy, shiny, and growing. So that is a win in my book. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get in the shower. Of the shower, I've just briefly towel dried it, and then I will take my wet brush. I will start at where my natural hair is since I do have sew-in extensions. I'm just gonna try brushing out kind of all my knots first. After I did like a brief little brush, I'm gonna be taking the Olaplex number 6. This is the smoother, and what I like to do is mix it with the bonding oil. I like to put a lot just because the hair extensions don't have any like source of natural oil. I want to make sure that the hair is extremely moisturized on my ends because the better you take care of your extensions, the longer that you will be able to wear them. So I was told that I could have these for a year if you take care of them. And after putting product in just to this one side, it becomes so much easier to brush.
3 hours later.
So as you guys can see, some time has passed. I've done my makeup. So the reason that I like to wait is because there is so much hair here. I would literally be blow drying my hair for 6 hours if I didn't let it naturally air dry. How I will blow dry my hair with my sew-in extensions is I will take first weft, which is on the bottom, and I will feel for it, which my natural hair is mixed in. I will take the top section and just spin it into like a bun and clip it on top of my head. So now it only leaves this much hair. My wefts are pretty loose because I have to go get my hair done next week, but this is kind of what it looks like. My natural hair is pretty much like 95% dry, but a big important step is using a heat protectant, and I never really was big into this until I started trying to heal my hair. So I'm going to be using the Multi-Miracle Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant by Raw Sugar, and I just spray the section, and then I will just take my wet brush and just kind of like brush that through. I will be taking my blow dry brush. I love this. This is giving me a salon blowout at home because I don't know how to do like one with like a brush and a thing. Like I cannot do the multitasking. It's a little too difficult. So this is the one from Revlon, and I am just going to use it on the low setting and just start blowing my hair out. That was really quick to blow dry just the bottom section. So then I will unclip the top here, and I will find kind of where my natural hair is on the top, and I'm going to section that out. Just this little ball up here of my natural hair that's going to lay over the extensions. So then what I will do is the exact same thing. I'm going to spray the heat protectant on it, brush it out, just to make sure that it's coated from root to tip. I don't want to ruin my natural hair, and I definitely don't want to ruin the extensions. I'm trying to grow my hair out. So now we're going to blow dry again. This is what it looks like just freshly blown out. My last and final step is going to be how I keep my hair to last for 7 full days without having to wash, and that is applying dry shampoo on clean hair. So I'm going to be using the Detox Dry Shampoo. I love this. I hate the white cast that it leaves, so I usually like to spray it like underneath my hair so you can't like see it at the root. It's the only one that I have tried that actually makes my hair feel clean and like brings it back to wash day texture, which is kind of rare for me. So I just like to zhuzh it at my roots. This will also give you a ton of volume. And I will dry shampoo tomorrow, the next day. There are a couple days where I realize I don't need it. Like your hair just kind of feels nice for days. Okay, trust me on that. If you guys want to see how I curl my hair, I will have a whole separate video on that. If that's something that you guys want to see, give the video a thumbs up. And that is pretty much it. I will have all the products that I use listed down below. They are all Olaplex. I just feel like that works the best for my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Definitely click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.